Hello everyone, good afternoon. August 21st, 2022. The newest update video for the Supertunias. Unfortunately, it just got done raining yet again. Still a lot of overcast, as you can see. And all the Supertunias got soaked yet again. A lot of water damage this time, as you can see on these flowers. What you're seeing all right there, that's all water damage. That's what it looks like again right there. That's what it does to them. They don't really like water. So, unfortunately, it's not going to be like all the other videos, but it always can't be a great day. Still growing strong. Less flowers due to the rain, but I noticed it's flowering more on this side than this side. Might have to do with this tree here that might be putting a little too much shade out. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to look into that probably next season. So these are the bubblegums right now. Tons of growth, just not a lot of flowers. Going over here to the Jazzberry, which again look really good, even though it rained. You'll see in another video I'm going to upload, I'm going to show you how I moved all the growth forward. That's why the top portion right there is green. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Here's the fuchsia again, another visit from another butterfly. I believe this one, the plant I put right here died. I don't know how, but that's why there's that little gap right there. But the Jazzberry do look really well. And here's what I mean by what I did. I didn't trim anything back, I just pushed it forward. And I have it resting against these bamboo sticks. Makes it really easy to water. You can get right in here. I haven't done it yet with the fuchsia, because there isn't as much growth. And you can see what I mean about this one plant right here. That's the base of the plant. It has some green growth, but everything else died. Not quite sure why. But everything else is doing fine. Just with all Supertunias, they like water, just not when it's raining on them. Here goes the Paradise. Tons of growth again. Less flowers due to the rain, but looking really well nonetheless. Lots of flower buds there. These again, all season, they've been really growing on par with the bubblegums as far as the green, the growth, the legging out. And the silverberry here, which on the left side of the plant, it's struggling a little more. I'm not sure why. But on the other side of the plant, it seems to be doing much better. And that's kind of weird because the same thing's happening with the bubblegum and with the fuchsia. It's weird how it does that. Don't really have an explanation why. Look at that, now the butterfly's over here. That doesn't know what to do. And I would say right now the boxes on the railings, they look the best out of everything. So this is just going to be a quick update. You know, not much sun is out right now. It's overcast. But that'll be it for this video. Just a quick one. And make sure to tune in next week.